Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm doing a quick overview and review of this hip and joint chews. These are for dogs, and the objective is to enhance bone and joint health. There's a couple cool ingredients in here. It is for all ages and breeds, which is nice. This particular container has 200 of these soft chews in it, and the highlight is it has glucosamine, HCl, chondroitin sulfate, and MSM. Really has a very lengthy list of ingredients. Some other key ingredients that are included in here are eggshell membrane, lipid muscles, turmeric root, and a whole bunch of other ingredients for the old canine. Now, from a taste standpoint, do the canines love these treats? Again, totally subjective. Let's see. Oh, nailing it. Just nailing it. Millie, come here. Let's see if the other one loves it. Oh, now they want to fight over it. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. All right. They definitely do like the treats. Using these as a treat, you can't go wrong, I don't think, just because they definitely like them. So if you're looking for something that's treat oriented, but also has some health positive implications. A close up, they're shaped in a heart shape here, quite small, only about maybe an inch and a half total width by about half an inch this way. They are set up for dogs really of all sizes. They definitely are like these from a taste and smell standpoint. This example, definitely works well as a treat. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little review? Can you tell us what you think? Do the dogs actually like the flavor of these treats and the benefits that come along with it? Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.